What's your name?
My name is Reber Boult. I live a long way away, and I've known the people here, a lot of the people here, I knew them a long time ago. I know them now still. I wanted to see them again. On one level. On another level, what they wrote in that newspaper really shaped, I think, the way I look at things. The sort of a pragmatic way, a truthful way, a direct way, and yeah, a lot of things like that. And I wanted to connect back up again. Give a little bit of history. I moved to Atlanta in January 1968. This thing started in March, and I saw the first paper, and at the same time I was meeting the people who were putting it out, and some of them I was working with, and they were a lot of them had done civil rights work and were sort of decompressing from being in the field with that. And all of that came together, and I just was greatly influenced by the whole thing.